Welcome back. So today the video is about the shaft seals. In my example, both are from the Vespa. The left one, the rubber one, is from the Vespa PX200. The right one is from the VBB 125, as I'm correct. So this special topic also applies to other manufacturers. But let's get started. Let's talk first of all about the advantages and disadvantages of this metal and the rubber one. The rubber shaft seal, better sealing effect, corrosion resistance, easy installation, less sensitive to housing tolerances. Disadvantages is as well less dimensionally stable, not as heat resistant as the metal version. Yeah, so the metal version, the advantage is higher stability, so it's really strong, better heat dissipation, more durable under heavy mechanical load, and disadvantages as well, prone to corrosion for sure, cause of metal, more difficult to install, I can confirm this to be honest, and may not seal as well. Yeah, these are the advantages of both shaft seals. But let's go for when to use which seal in which area. It's very important, especially in the Vespa, but I'm pretty sure it's also the same in other motorbikes and other areas. Yeah, so quite easy which one you should use. So you see there is a groove here. Yeah, this one. And if you have this groove, rubber, full stop, no discussion. Yeah, if there's no groove, metal, full stop, no discussion. And this is for every single case. So for assembling, my case now rubber, yeah, use a dedicated tool which has the same size as the shaft seal or seal shaft, I don't know, so sorry. And then use a hammer and hit them with a gentle reminder to fit in. When the shaft seal is pushed in with a gentle reminder with the hammer and the tool for sure, the shaft seal will expand into the groove, and this will give the shaft seal an additional hold. Very important. So. And that's why I really like more the rubber one than the metal. Easier to mount, and additional hold is more security and safety for the engine. Yeah, but that's overall the story regarding the shaft seal. So very easy. Hope this helps. Follow me. If you have any comments, ping me. Other than that, see you.